This is Eileen from Protect Team. When discussing SPC, I guess people might ask me this question. Is your SPC virgin? Is your SPC transmit light? Some will ask me directly, what is the ratio of your SPC? Don't worry, today we will answer these questions for you one by one. First of all, to know if SPC is a virgin material, we must understand what is SPC fluorine and what kinds of material available in SPC. SPC stands for Stone Plastic Composite because it is also known as a rigid core. SPC rigid core is typically comprised of 4 layers: UV coating, a wear layer, SPC core, and underlayer. UV coating is a kind of coating that can cool quickly in a few seconds under ultraviolet. So, strong ultraviolet light purely processing can make floor color and luxurious stable effectively solve the fading and color difference problem. Wear layer have several thickness. 0.3 is the common and 0.7 is for residential wear layer. Also, someone maybe find the thinner wear layer, like such as 0.2 or 0.1. It is also okay, but we recommend the 0. It is good. SPC core is an important part of SPC floor. As mentioned before, it is made of PVC resin and heavy calcium carbonate. And then I will introduce the SPC core. SPC core is made of stone powder and the PVC resin. The ratio is about 1.3. The PVC resin is about 25% and the stone powder is about 75%. So it's very hard. It is also called the multi-pad. It is also called multi-piling. It's a thin material located between the floor covering and the ground. It helps to absorb the impact of walking while providing a cushioning effect, making the floor comfortable for your feet. The EVA, IXPE, and the cork are popular and most accepted by clients who use the SPC floor. It is IXPE, you can see, and it is the EVA, you can see. It is 1 millimeter thickness and it is 1.5 millimeter thickness. You can tell, and the IXPE is more soft than the EVA. So IXPE is expensive than EVA, but if you want to prefer a good foot feel, you can choose the IXPE. It's better. But EVA is the most cost-effective one. So if you want to choose a cheaper one, you can choose the EVA. It's better. And the third one is the cork. Cork is more soft and it's more expensive, but it is rarely used in the SPC fluorine. As is mentioned before, SPC fluorine is made of PVC resin and heavy calcium carbonate. The ratio is about 1.3. The calcium carbonate, also called stone powder, is very cheap, and the quality and the price of stone powder is similar. So when we say SPC core, we often say the PVC. Most of factories divided to virgin PVC or recycled PVC. The price is different because of the competitive. So manufacturers use many methods in order to save costs. So when you see materials of SPC, it is also called the PVC resin. In Protect, our PVC resin is a virgin PVC resin because it is more eco-friendly. I will show you a test about the resin PVC and the recycled PVC. It is recycled PVC. You can see it's black and it's more hard. And it is virgin PVC. It's white and it's soft, and it looks good. So the recycled SPC is cheaper than the virgin PVC. Most of the factories have different supply chains. So because they want to prefer the most cost-effective products, so most of the factories will use recycled PVC to lower their cost. I will show you it is recycled SPC made of the recycled PVC. And it is virgin PVC made of the virgin PVC. You can see, but you cannot identify them. They are very similar. So if a factory use recycled SPC, but tell you it is virgin PVC SPC, but I will tell you some ways, some methods to how to identify them. The first one is look the cut surface. The cut surface of the recycled SPC is not very good. You can see it's very rude, and there are some powder on the surface. You can see. Oh, my finger is very dirty because of the recycled SPC. But you can also say it is virgin SPC. The cut surface is very smooth, and there are no powder on the surface. So we can also smell them. If you smell the recycled SPC, it's not so good. And if you smell the virgin SPC, there are no smelling. It is a small method. And you can also cut a knife on the surface. It is recycled SPC. It is easy to scratch some black powders, and the powder is not very good. It's very rude. You can see it's very rude. But if you put the knife to scratch the virgin SPC, there are some white powder on the surface, and even I scrape them, the surface is also very smooth. It is a small method to identify the recycled SPC or the virgin SPC. And some people may ask me, if I want to choose more cheaper LVT flooring, whether we have another choice. I will answer you yes. You will choose the LVT flooring. LVT flooring is more better. So if you want to choose a soft or more cheaper flooring, you can also choose LVT flooring. There are 4 kinds of LVT for you to choose. Someone may also ask me if a factory use a lower price, but tell me that it is virgin SPC, such a very low price. I can tell you that the price of the SPC flooring is about $6.5. And we're not lower than the $6 per square meter. So I think you guys maybe understand about how to identify the virgin SPC and the recycled SPC. Okay, and if you guys have another questions, you can directly leave a message to me or leave a message to our college. We will answer you. Bye bye.